did also really good.
No, we did really good. What kind of person is Marianne?
Well, that's a deep question to start with, but what kind of person?
Yeah, such a big athlete, inspiring athlete for me, and not only on the bike, but also outside cycling. She's also such a nice person.
To get to know her, she's very friendly. She's very social in connection, and yeah, as an athlete, she's very dedicated and she definitely knows what she wants.
Ik ben echt alleen maar camera en boyfriend duty.
A lot have changed since I stopped with road racing, especially like racing now. It's it's becoming more and more professional. So you can see a lot of girls at a really high level, which is nice. It felt super nice to be back on the road. First I started with UAE, which was kind of a training race. Then I went to altitude in training camp, and I wanted to prepare for Strade Bianche. And when I came back, I felt quite good. For me, it's a third place, but it felt like, you know, for the team, it was like a win, because we worked so well together that it was really, the best feeling. Like, we need to be at the front at the start of the race. From the start, we need to be at the front, and it's no point someone is behind, you know, like just trying to save energy. We need to be as a team at the front. No one's care if you finish the race or not. We all give our 100%, and if you are not able to finish because you are like this, it's fine, and should be also like this, you know, that we work like for one goal. And I think we need to have this trust, because we are strong. And we need to believe in it.
The 11th edition of the Women's Strade Bianche.
Yeah, I mean, technically you need to be good. I'm not really afraid of the gravel part, but you still to be aware of it. And I also will use my quality to try to recover during the gravel parts where I can. And after that it's a lot of difficulties. So I have to survive until the last term. And I think I'm punchy enough for the last term to make a good run.
13 gravel sections to deal with. Spectacular spring sunshine welcomed the start.
Welkom, Strade Bianche Women 2025. Rutger Thijssen aan het stuur.
Lekker hoor.
Ballast vast achter in de auto was Mechanico. 77 kilometer koers gedaan en op weg naar de finale. Hey, gewoon live verslag erbij, hè?
You had to be brave, you had to be extraordinarily good as well, and the chances of combining both were pretty limited.
You know, I'm at 7, Pauline. Good job, really nice.
Others bridged over and started joining the fun. Vollering moved up. Music had done her job, and now it was Vollering to impose herself.
Less than 20k to go. Now the final is really starting, eh?
Vollering had bridged Le Bois as well. Van der Breggen decided that she would push on, and the question was, who could follow? Well, it was a big question, and not many had the answer.
Bit more than 10 seconds the gap, bit more than 10 seconds. Now we need to fight to the finish line. Now we start to climb, Pauline. We fight still for the podium plaque.
You were close.
I did a stupid mistake.
It happens.
On the gravel?
No, on the road. You know, at some point I say, yeah, did I make the good choice to try to come back on the road? Because yeah, I could have stayed on MTB and do what I know. But yeah, at the end I needed a new motivation and I wanted to do something new and a new challenge. So I think it's a good one. Maybe not an easy one, but yeah, I will fight for it and yeah, I will fight for my dreams. Thank you. Merci.
This day cannot go bad anymore.
Oh.
Okay. But it's actually good luck when it's on you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, when you...
So. And don't take risk in the descents, girls. Eh? Really take a look how the corners are. Vicky also, eh? Calm. It's really a recon. It's not a race now. Saturday we do full gas.
Yeah, to wake them up a bit. That's an interesting choice. If I feel bad, I go all out. Yeah. What? It's Martin's words, not mine. Actually, what we knew already, that anything is possible on the Cipressa, on the Poggio, in the descent, and even after that. So it will be fast. I think the race will be fast, but also the final will fly by.
Here we start the Cipressa, girls. 4.4 kilometers long. It's more or less two sides. It's the easy part in the beginning, and then from Capo Mele it starts a bit. Capo Betta already, I think for the women's peloton, a pretty climb, and then we go really fast to the bottom of Cipressa, and from there it will be really full gas to the finish line at San Remo. And from here it's 1.3 kilometers till the top of Cipressa, and then we have the really fast descent.
I think Milano-San Remo is a very special race. Different types of riders can do well. And then of course it's also just the strength of the rider. So you have to have a good day and you have to be good. First race together was Trofeo Binda. And of course when you race for the first time again, also it was my first race of the season. You have to find out how you work together best and how the communication works best.
I figured out that it was not that easy to ride in the same team as her, because We are both leaders and we need to find our space.
And I think we're different type of riders, different specialities.
Marianne is so talented that she almost doesn't need a teammate to win.
I think Pauline, she is eager to be in the front. She wants to be in the move. She wants to be in the break, and she's very strong. She's a really good climber, of course.
But I think it can really fit together if we respect the way we are.
Yeah, which can add to each other, and that makes it really good, I think.
It's just like finding the small step we can make better.
It's
really cozy, yeah?
Yeah, it's one big team, huh?
Yes?
Yeah.
Start of San Remo, girls. The main goal for tomorrow. Fight for the win. For in the final. And Pauline, you follow that text.
Yeah.
Marianne follow the group.
Yeah.
Femke and Eva, you bring really to the Cipressa. I think tomorrow, from the Capis, you need to start concentrate. The first is nothing. The second is a bit harder. But there you need to start focus on racing. Stay calm, but don't give it away there. And then it's direction to Cipressa. Yeah, that we did a few times now. There the hectic will be really big, and is it also fast to the bottom of Cipressa.
Yeah, before Cabo Berta, I would like us to start racing. You know, if we race like we race in Strade, like at the front, and like helping each other and having this team spirit. Yeah, I'm sure if we do that, we can win.
We've been in Italy now since Trofeo Binda, and every day, or I count down the days to the start, and now it's there.
With what I see last weekend in Trofeo Binda, she is able to win tomorrow in Milan-San Remo, for sure.
Sorry.
Why you are not? No, it's not nice, Funky.
It's not nice.
I've never seen you so pretty.
Yeah, like this, you know.
Maybe you wear it like this, just loose.
Oh, Pauline is the quick.
No, Pauline's not there. How many lives you have still over from the 7? How many you used?
I don't know, but I think I will use already one in Poggio downhill, so I need to keep.
You need to keep all of them, just in case.
Yo.
Abbiano scicareto, davvero saporito, amami l'ammazzaro, povero cieco mio, chi me da voce via, aria grandi nuri, scicareto di
I'm feeling quite good. Also happy to be back. Happy to be racing also with Marianne. I think today we have a big ambition, and it's super exciting to have San Remo back for women. So I think it's going to be a great day.
Pauline Ferrand-Prévot, Marianne Vos.
Welcome to San Remo Women. After 20 long years since the last Primavera Rossa, a new page in cycling history about to be turned. Glum conditions at the start in Genoa, but of course, dry roads and sunshine waiting those fortunate enough to stay on the bike. We got to the Tre Capi and of course then the Cipressa and the Poggio, defining the day as they were bound to do. every descent, was regrouping every ascent, well, indeed was tough.
Coming closer to the Cipressa girls, almost there.
Climbing the Cipressa. Last chance saloon for anyone who wanted to go long and indeed hurt the sprinters, who of course would have their fun if they were brought to the line. The attacks started to rain down and it was brilliant. And Longa Borghini showing how aggressive she can be, just dive bombing into that hairpin. A few others got caught out on the descent into San Remo off the Poggio. What a finale we had.
Good work, girls, yeah, really good job.
3.9 kilometres to go, capable of holding on for such a distance, but with sprinters well rested and well protected by their teammates behind her, could she possibly hold on? Oh, and she's going to get tied up. She's going to get caught out here, I'm afraid, at the very last. And then it's going to be a big sprint. Big sigh from the crowd here. World champions involved, so are so many as well. And here comes the European champion, spearing up the inside. Biggest sprinter we've got on the planet at the moment. Oh, and she delivers. Vivis had to be. Vivis supreme, and she makes it count at exactly the right time.
52, good.
Shit.
Ze got fractie, die fractie.
Nice fight, girls. Good fight. Ah.
How was it? Oh, I was so empty. I'm sorry I took you. Oh.
Maar ja, je hoopt dan toch.
Wow, we survived, huh? Second, Marianne was second.
Yeah, second. You crashed also?
Yeah, I crashed before Cipressa.
Yeah.
She bring me back.
Congrats.
I think it was, I timed it right.
Yeah, she's faster. She's faster. But second, then you did super. But I crashed before Cipressa.
Yeah, I know.
And
I
she
saw that.
bring me back. Like so strong.
Hey.
No, we did really good.
You go cheer, eh, girls?
Al secondo posto dall'Olanda per Visma Lease Bike, gli applausi per Marianne Vos. La campionessa del mondo, un'atleta multidisciplinare, straordinaria in pista, straordinaria su strada e nel cross. Lorena Vives.
Yeah, I'm very happy with how we raced as a team and how I got to the final. And then, in a sprint against Lorena Wiebes, you know it's going to be very hard, but we tried, and I think we can be satisfied with second.
I think we are building, something stronger than only staying on one-day race. We are building something together as a group with good energy and a good spirit, and for me it's super important to keep this and to even build it, and that we can grow together and be the best team in the world.